The function of the NetBT protocol is to allow NetBIOS services to be used over TCP/IP networks. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Which of the following is used when a Win server tries to resolve a host name into an IP address on a Windows-based LAN? A. DNS. B. TCP/IP. C. NetBIOS. D. DHCP. The correct answer is C. NetBIOS. Which of the following is a Microsoft-proprietary remote access protocol providing users with a graphical interface that allows them to connect to another computer on a network? A. RDP. B. SSH. C. VNC. D. Telnet. The correct answer is A. RDP. What is the name of a network protocol that secures web traffic via SSL/TLS encryption? A. SFTP. B. HTTPS. C. FTPS. D. SNMP. The correct answer is B. HTTPS. Which of the following are SFF motherboard types that provide backward compatibility with full-size ATX cases? Select two answers. A. EATX. B. MATX. C. Ultra ATX. D. EATX. E. MITX. The correct answers are B. MATX. E. MITX. What is the most common motherboard type used in desktop PCs? A. ATX. B. MATX. C. LPX/NLX. D. ITX. E. MITX. The correct answer is A. ATX. A standardized motherboard specification, including its dimensions, supported power supply types, and layout of components, is known as the motherboard's form factor. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Which of the following is an example of a hot-swappable drive? Select all that apply. A. USB drive. B. PCIe drive. C. IDE drive. D. SATA drive. E. eSATA drive. The correct answers are A. USB drive. D. SATA drive. E. eSATA drive. Which type of RAID creates a striped set from a series of mirrored drives? A. RAID 0+1. B. RAID 1. C. RAID 5. D. RAID 1+0. The correct answer is D. RAID 1+0. Hardware RAID level 10 requires a minimum of A. 2 drives. B. 3 drives. C. 4 drives. D. 5 drives. The correct answer is C. 4 drives. Examples of nested RAID levels include, select all that apply. A. RAID 0. B. RAID 1. C. RAID 1 plus 0. D. RAID 5. E. RAID 10. The correct answers are C. RAID 1 plus 0. E. RAID 10. Hardware RAID level 5, select 2 answers. A. Requires at least 2 drives to implement. B. Continues to operate in case of failure of more than 1 drive. C. Requires at least 3 drives to implement. D. Offers increased performance and fault tolerance. Single drive failure does not destroy the array and lost data can be recreated by the remaining drives. E. Requires at least 4 drives to implement. The correct answers are C. Requires at least 3 drives to implement. D. Offers increased performance and fault tolerance. Single drive failure does not destroy the array and lost data can be recreated by the remaining drives. Hardware RAID level 1, select 3 answers. A. Requires at least 2 drives to implement. B. Is also known as disk striping. C. Offers improved performance in comparison to RAID 0. D. Offers improved reliability by creating identical data sets on each drive. Failure of one drive does not destroy the array as each drive contains identical copy of the data. E. Is also referred to as disk mirroring. The correct answers are A. Requires at least 2 drives to implement. D. Offers improved reliability by creating identical data sets on each drive. Failure of one drive does not destroy the array as each drive contains identical copy of the data. E. Is also referred to as disk mirroring. Hardware RAID level 0, select 3 answers. A. Is also known as disk striping. B. Decreases reliability. Failure of any disk in the array destroys the entire array. C. Is also referred to as disk mirroring. D. Offers less volume capacity in comparison to RAID 1. E. Requires at least 3 drives to implement. F. Is suitable for systems where performance has higher priority than fault tolerance. The correct answers are A. Is also known as disk striping. B. Decreases reliability. Failure of any disk in the array destroys the entire array. F. Is suitable for systems where performance has higher priority than fault tolerance. Which of the following RAID levels does not offer fault tolerance? A. RAID 5. B. Disk duplexing. C. RAID 0. D. Disk mirroring. E. RAID 1. The correct answer is C. RAID 0. Which one of the following is a data storage solution that combines multiple disk drive components into a single logical unit to increase volume size, performance, or reliability? A. Load balancing. B. Serial attached SCSI, SAS. C. Aggregation switching. D. Redundant array of independent disks, RAID. The correct answer is D. Redundant array of independent disks, RAID. Which of the following is a proprietary flash memory card format used mainly in older digital cameras? A. XD. B. SD. C. SSD. D. Mini SD. E. Micro SD. The correct answer is A. XD. Examples of flash memory card formats include, select all that apply. A. SD. B. Compact flash. C. Micro SD. D. SSHD. E. Mini SD. F. XD. The correct answers are A. SD. B. Compact flash. C. Micro SD. E. Mini SD. F. XD. A data storage solution that integrates HDD and flash memory into a single device is known as a NAND. Select two answers. A. Hybrid drive. B. Compact flash. C. M.2 drive. D. SSHD. E. Hardware RAID. The correct answers are A. Hybrid drive. D. SSHD. Which of the following is the size of an HDD form factor for laptop computers? A. 1.8 inch. B. 2.5 inch. C. 3.5 inch. D. 5.25 inch. The correct answer is B. 2.5 inch. Which of the following is the size of a magnetic drive form factor for desktops? A. 1.8 inch. B. 2.5 inch. C. 3.5 inch. D. 5.25 inch. The correct answer is C. 3.5 inch. Which of the following is the maximum RPM value available in modern HDDs? A. 10,000 RPM. B. 15,000 RPM. C. 25,000 RPM. D. 30,000 RPM. The correct answer is B. 15,000 RPM. Platters of a magnetic hard drive spin at a rate measured in A. Revolutions per second. B. Iterations per minute. C. Revolutions per minute. D. Iterations per second. The correct answer is C. Revolutions per minute. What is the most common form factor for SSD SATA drives? A. 1.8. B. 2.5. C. 3.5. D. 5.25. The correct answer is B. 2.5. Which of the following is a logical device interface used to access non-volatile memory storage devices attached via a PCIe? A. GDI. B. NVMe. C. SLI. D. Mapping. The correct answer is B. NVMe.